The other day, Russell and I were out picking beans in the garden, like this one, and I looked in this big old bean teepee, and I saw these tomatoes, and so I've been waiting to pick one. Ooh, look at these. So that big yellow rosy tomato, I couldn't remember what it was. And then it crossed my mind that late in the spring we ordered some seeds. My family's from West Virginia, so I wanted to get a West Virginia seed, and this is the Hillbilly potato leaf. I totally forgot we planted it. Luckily it turned bright yellow like this, or I would have maybe thought it was something else. So let's go give it a try.
We're about to cut weird tomatoes.
Yes, we are about to cut weird tomatoes, and this is the Hillbilly potato leaf tomato. It's from West Virginia, cultivar originating.
Yeah, it is.
It is from West Virginia. Who else is from West Virginia?
Gigi.
Okay, Gigi. Yeah, that's right. Grandma is from West Virginia, and our whole family, actually, our extended family on my side is from West Virginia. So we got this tomato to represent the Hillbilly state. So this is the Hillbilly potato leaf, a beautiful beefsteak, bicolor.
Yeah, Dad, that's kind of like the Yuki purple because it's yellow.
Look
yellow.
at that beautiful color. Look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, it is actually red.
It's red inside. Isn't that surprising?
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Look at that. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
It's slippery.
Mmm.
Is that yummy?
Mm-hmm.
A plus. It was you had a great acidity from it.
Yeah.
Almost like a really ripe
Mm-hmm.
blueberry taste.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you have an overripe
Mm-hmm.
blueberry.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This one's actually a little bit kind of watery, kind of tasting too, but if you look in there, the consistency of it is
This
perfect.
one's yucky. That actually, this is the stem.
Yep, that's the end. We don't have to eat that part if you don't want.
Mm-mm.
There's almost a carroty sweetness to it. What's it taste like to you?
It tastes like Yuki purple.
Tastes like a Yuki purple? Everything tastes like Yuki purple to you. Alright, cool. Well, this tomato for us, maybe you saw in the first part of the video, hopefully I edited that in, that we planted this tomato kind of as an afterthought, ordered it from Baker Creek, and then I planted it and ended up putting a bean teepee over it because the tomato wasn't growing very good and it was good garden real estate. So because the bean teepee was over it, the tomato started growing. The beans just wrapped up the tomato right along the posts, and I literally did not know there was even a tomato growing until...
when I was 2, I used to not like tomatoes, but now I do.
That's great. It is. It's true, huh? Sometimes your taste buds change. And anyway, we just saw these giant tomatoes growing in our bean teepee, and then they started turning yellow, and I had to do a little research and look back. Oh yeah, that's right, we planted that Hillbilly potato leaf. So there it is, Hillbilly potato leaf. Do you like this tomato?
But Dad, these are leaves.
They are leaves?
No.
They're not leaves. No. But that's the name of the tomato. It's named because of the shape of the leaf.
Yeah,
cool.
Dad.
All right.
Dad, that's
Heirloom,
actually round.
indeterminate.
Dad, that's actually round, so I think it's like a ball.
A ball? We should call it the Hillbilly ball tomato?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Hillbilly ball tomato. And if you look right there, look at that. It's a little heart. There's a little heart because we love weird tomatoes. See ya. Bye-bye. You want to say bye?
Bye.